bringing something new to you never heard. My make please in the house, yo Wally, get up the microphone, come on y'all.
Wale mama de o.
Say what I can hear you.
Alo ilo mberede.
What you say, come on y'all.
Awade.
Jiggy.
Wale mama de o.
What you say.
Alo ilo mberede.
Check it out, y'all.
Ini bolo, keji bolo, pambolo, bolo. Alákànjí màrè o, ẹni tẹ̀ ń retí mà dẹ̀
Now, check it out.
Àwádé.
One time. Come on.
Wálé màmá dé o.
Y2K, remedies, KYC.
Alóyin ló ń gbèrèdè.
Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it?
Àwádé.
Check it out.
Wálé màmá dé o.
Y2K, remedies, KYC.
Alóyin ló ń gbèrèdè.
This is each, this is it. 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 Y2K, I come with the funk, Mr. T, step in the stove, you are off this nigga's blue. The nigga that's never been a step of your heat, so your show, your nigga that's all a beat, when a step of your heat in Boston now. I'm making a dedication from the tip to the top. Bring back this game, let me show you I'm the real top. You're talking the same as it was, so we're gonna get the holiday ocean, never know this holiday ocean goes the sweetest in the war. So what does I get slave for you, come in you for the low. You can only find the one that's singing us off the soca. You can only find the one that's singing us off the singers now. You think your reputation goes loud.
All right. Yeah, we are live and direct on DNT Radio number 1 US Nigeria Community Radio. Welcome everybody. It's good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Good evening in Nigeria, good afternoon here in Dallas, Texas. My name is Alogun Double As you all know, we are live and direct on DNT Radio, number 1 US Nigeria Community Radio, the best of the rest in US. We are the best, not people talking. So we are live today, as you all know, hanging out with Double O is another beautiful Friday. Thank God it's Friday. We are live here, and as you all know, if you want to be part of the segment, all you have to do just log on to our website, log on to www.distinctradio.com, or you could call us on the go. If you want your phone to turn to radio, just call 712-775-9167. Your phone will turn to radio. You will be able to listen to us, or you could just download our Distinct Radio app. Download our application. You will be able to listen to us, or just connect with us on YouTube. Search for DNC Radio on YouTube. You will be able to listen to us because we are live and direct here. And today is a special segment. It's a special segment. I have these guests. It has been a while that I've been trying to bring these guests, but thank God we are able to bring him today. You're going to meet him at any time from now. My guest is live and direct in the studio with me. You're going to meet him shortly. But before that, help me share this segment. Log on to www.distinctradio.com. Download our app. It's free. Download our application. It's free. They're not going to charge you. Or then keep all the questions coming, all your questions about today's segment. You will be able to join my guest. My guest is going to be live with us. Let's listen to this. Don't touch the dial.
Ladies hang around me like a little baby. What's up, yeah? How you doing? Would you give me some grandchildren for my mommy?
It's beautiful Friday, everybody. All right, everybody. Yeah, welcome everybody to the segment today. My guest is right here in the studio with me. You are welcome. If you want to join me on this segment, I've said earlier, log on to www.distinctradio.com or download our application. You will be able to listen to us live on the red or check us out on YouTube. We're live on YouTube. DNC Radio, number one US Nigeria Community Radio. My guest is in the studio now. Sir, please quickly introduce yourself. Let us meet you, sir.
My name is Kamilu Abiola Ali. I'm a representative for different insurance company for life insurance, investments, college funds, and anything you want to do with life insurance and college fund. That's good. That's what.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, sir. So okay, thank everybody. Please let me to share this segment. A lot of people are not here now so that they can answer you. Sir, we have a lot of questions here today, and thank God that you are able to honor our invitation to be part of this segment. Life insurance. What is life insurance? A lot of people want to know what is life insurance.
The analysis layman. Something happens to you while you are living. Life insurance could also take care of you right now while you are here when you passed away. So there are different ways that we can use life insurance, not just only for you to pass away, because people have that conception that, oh, I have to pass away for my life insurance to take care of me. No, you don't have to pass away. You can still be here and still be taken care of, and at the same time, it takes care of you while you are gone.
All right, thank you, sir. Everybody, yeah, we're live here on DNT Radio, number one US Nigeria Community Radio. I have my guest here. My guest is Mr. Kamilu Ali. He's an expert in terms of when it comes to life insurance and all that. Sir, another question that a lot of people sent to us. So, how many types of insurance do we have? How many types of insurance do we have?
Basically, for a layman, I would just say is two type of life insurance. And let me break it down.
Okay.
One is what we call term insurance. That means as if you are renting a house. That's a simple analysis of the second one is what we call permanent insurance. That is if you are buying a house. Let me break it down simple. When you have a life insurance, a term insurance, what it means is that you rent this apartment or you rent this house for a certain number of years. Maybe it's 1 year, maybe it's 2 years, maybe it's 5 years, maybe it's 10 years, maybe it's 20 years, maybe it's 30 years. It depends. You are renting it. And as long as you have that 3-bedroom home you are renting, you have all the access to the 3-bedroom, everything, the garage and everything. So once the lease expire, you have to renew it again. That is what we call term insurance. For permanent insurance, it's just the same as if you buy your house. When you buy it, as long as you pay your mortgage, the house belongs to you. Nobody's going to disturb you that, oh, you get out of this house. As long as you pay your premium, which is what we call mortgage in buying house, that is the same thing as permanent insurance. But within that, we can now break it down into different segments. But the simple analysis is we have term insurance, we have permanent insurance.
Okay,
That
right.
is only two types.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody. Everybody, viewers at home, if you want to be part of this conversation, the phone line, before that, I'm going to on the phone line now. The number to call is 817-717-565. Any questions you have about life insurance, so that I have the expert here, Mr. Kamilu Ali is our guest today, so that I can be able to treat all your questions. I have a lot of questions here, but we're just going to take it one by one. But before that, let us hear this. Don't touch it out. We are coming right back.
This is DJ Sherry Shay, and you are listening to the one and only DNT Radio.
All right. We are back. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, www.distinctradio.com. That's our website, and you can download our application to be part of the segment, or you can listen to us live on YouTube as well. Okay, so I have this question, sir. Is life insurance taxable? Is life insurance taxable?
Okay. The proceed of life insurance in United States, it is not taxable. And that is one great thing, that life insurance is so unique and is so special among any investment, anything that you have in United States. Uncle Sam will get you for everything. You have a business, you buy this, you make any gain, you have to declare your your profit, and you have to be taxable. But for the proceed of life insurance, it is not taxable.
Wow.
That is in United States.
Okay, wow. Thank you so much. Akim Shofade, I see you. Thank you so much. And Joyful Mary Powell, I see you all the way from Nigeria. A lot of people are here from Nigeria and also on Instagram. Okpakon Baba, I see you. Oladuni, I know, shout out to you. Afolabi Remy, shout out to you, everybody, for joining on Instagram and Facebook. You can log on to www.distinctradio.com to be part of this conversation or download our Distinct Radio app. It's going to be free. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, somebody just sent me this question. It said, when do we have to check on our life insurance status? When do we have to check the status of our life insurance?
Okay. The life insurance status, this is the process. When you want to set up a life insurance, somebody writes you the application, you go through the regular underwriting. If you are healthy, they will approve you. They'll tell you this is how much you are going to pay. And once you pay the money, your insurance begins. Some company, when you write the application, which is the law in some state, once you pay a deposit down, you are covered right away. Some company will say, okay, we have to let you go through this underwriting first before we can do anything. But it's still the same thing. At the end of the day, once you approve, the contract is given to you, you accept it, the life insurance become effective right away. One of the things I always tell my client is all the time. We are here 5 years ago. We are not the same person 5 years. So the objective is maybe once a year, sit down with your life insurance agent, review your policy. If things have changed in your life, try and review so that you can make changes. Some people went through divorce. Some people went through a relocation. Always try as much as possible. Call your agent if you have an agent. Get your money, and your money is auto draft. Your policy is actually in effect right away. So that's the most important thing.
All right, that's a good one. Everybody on one of our sponsor segment to make it possible for everybody to listen to us. Let us listen to
Furniture is an online furniture store that brings you the latest styles in home furnishings at the lowest possible price. We offer the same quality furniture as the big guys do, but at a fraction of the price. How do we do it? We sell online without having to maintain a showroom and all of the overhead that goes along with it. We are able to keep our prices at an all-time low. We pass these savings on to you, the customer. Check us out and you'll become a believer too. Our mission is simple. We offer the furniture you want at a price you'll love. Buy furniture the distinct way. It pays to be a distinct shopper. Contact us at 952-212-6527 or visit our online showroom at www.ufusa.net.
All right, we are welcome everybody. We are live on DNT Radio, number one US Nigeria community radio, and today we are talking about importance of life insurance. I have an expert, Mr. Kamilu Ali. He has been there for a long time, so that's why we have to bring him on this segment today. So the studio line is on now. 817-717-5685 is number to call. 817-717-5685. And please kindly help me to share this segment. It's really young. I see you all the way from Nigeria. Shout out to everybody, all the Nigeria people that are still up at this time to watch this segment. I know it's going to be like 11 p.m. in Nigeria. For you to be able to be up to join this segment, thank you so much. All right, sir. Yeah, somebody just sent this question. They want you to help them to explain what's the difference between will and life insurance. What's the difference between will and life insurance, sir?
Will and life insurance. Will is a kind of a document that you put together that if something happens to me, this is how I want my property to be. So it's different completely from life insurance. Life insurance is a contract between you and the insurance company that says if something happens to you, whoever get the proceed is this. And most of the time, the life insurance can also be part of your will. It can be part of your will. It can be part of the property you put down there. But most of the time, the beneficiary of life insurance is always designated. It does not matter whether you put it in the will or not. You already designate the beneficiary of life insurance. The only reason why your life insurance will go inside your estate is if you don't designate the beneficiary. And this is this is the worst situation you want to put yourself in a situation. Always, that is why one of the reasons I said, sit down with your agent, make sure that you update your beneficiary, your address, and some other things, so that if your life insurance has to go back into your estate, it might become an issue of tax problem for you for your
Wow.
estate when you passed away.
Oh wow.
So
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are live on DNT Radio, and this is Hanging Out with Double O. And our guest today is Mr. Kamilu Ali. Is right here in the studio with us, and we are talking about life insurance and the importance of life insurance. Okay, now another question: can one change his or her life insurance plan as time goes on? Can one change his or her insurance plan as time goes on?
definitely, this is one of the things that I always sit down with my client, and I always encourage people to do it. When you start your life, some of us we got married at the age of 20, 25. You have kids and things are going on well. You have this kind of life insurance. By the time you get to the age of 50, your kids are all grown, they are in their own place. It remains you and your wife. Your life has changed. So there is a reason for you to review your life insurance to see, is this life insurance I'm having 10, 20 years ago, is it the same thing that fits into my own situation right now? If it doesn't fit, you have to change it. Because if you don't change it, it might be a big problem later in the future. So you have to look at it. What kind of life insurance do you have 10 years ago, 20 years, even 5 years ago? You have to review it and make sure that it is in line with your objective today and tomorrow.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you. We are live on DNT Radio, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Shout out to people watching us on Facebook. Shout out to everybody watching us on Instagram and on YouTube as well. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, DNC Radio on YouTube. Please kindly subscribe to that YouTube channel. Let's get up to 1,000. I know we can do it. We've done it before. Let's do it again. All right. Another question, sir. We are talking about, this person is talking about private businesses. So can one have insurance on his or her private businesses? What about that, sir?
Absolutely, yes. And that's number one thing I'm always going to tell anybody who is a business owner. Please and please, it is very, very important to have life insurance on your business. It's very important to have insurance on your business, because the issue is this: most of the time when you see a typical business owner, everything they have is inside that business. And let me give you an example. Most of you, if you have a business, 100% of everything you have inside that business. If you passed away, everything is in the asset there. For your family to get any money out of that business, they have to start doing what they call fire sale, liquidate the asset. If you have $1 million worth of asset, you find out that by the time they sell it, they probably have only $300,000, $400,000, because you are no more there. The asset, people need money, they need to pay the mortgage, they need to pay the rent, they need to send the kids to school. But when you have life insurance, that is a liquid cash that is coming into your family if something happens to you. So life insurance is a way for you to save your business when you pass away. Even if they are going to liquidate the business, your family don't have to be in a situation they have to rush and do fire sales. So the most important thing I will encourage anybody that has business, have a life insurance and have insurance on your business. Not only that, life insurance is used when you have employee. It is one of the ways that you can provide benefit for your employee. You can have some of your employees that make minimum wage. You can give them group life insurance. As long as you have one employee, you can also get a group life insurance. So it's a very, very good thing. Go ahead, get your life insurance together. Get a group life insurance if you have employee, and also based on that, you can also provide benefit and allow you to keep your business running, keep an employee in the business, and have a long-term process for your business. Yeah, I can't emphasize it more for anybody with business. It's very, very important.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are live here on DNT Radio, #1 US Nigeria Community Radio, and we are talking to Mr. Kamilu Ali. He's an expert in terms of life insurance and all that. Okay, now I have another question. Does one have a retirement plan with life insurance? Does one have a retirement plan with life insurance?
Absolutely. When you look at life insurance, I just want to caution people on that. Life insurance is a great resources for retirement, for your retirement. The reason why I always encourage people to have life insurance. Everything you do in United States, you make money, businesses. There are three buckets which you always put our money. Okay, we are call it taxable, tax deferred, tax free. Your taxable is your house, your savings, and your real estate. Your tax deferred is your 401k, your pension plan, and everything you have inside your 403b you are hiring because you don't pay taxes on it. But
I think we have a call.
But your life insurance.
Hold on, sir. Hello. Hello, hold on, sir. I'm coming. We have a call. Calls. Yeah, the caller can call back 817-717-565. So go ahead, sir.
So life insurance, few items in tax-free bucket. We have your Roth IRA, your cash value life insurance, municipal bond. If you are a municipal bond, those are basically 3 items or 4 items that fall into tax-free. So when you use life insurance as your retirement income, any money you take out of your life insurance, it is tax-free. The caveat is just this: just be careful. Make sure that when you take money out of life insurance, make sure that as long as you are alive, the policy is still in force. Because if you put 100,000 inside your life insurance and you take $200,000 out and you liquidate the policy, the IRS might say you take more money than what you put there. You have to pay taxes. So life insurance is a great asset to use for life insurance because it is the money you take out of it is tax-free. The proceed is tax-free. Any money you have inside life insurance is creditors protected. I can't emphasize that. The most giveaway in the tax code in United States.
Wow. Okay, that's a good one. All right, viewers at home,
do this and that, and they just leave the money.
Yeah.
And it goes away. So, but again, sit down with your agent, review your policy every year, make sure your beneficiary is right, your address is right. At the end of the day, you'll be able to get that money. The beneficiary will get that money. But if you don't do that, that's an unclaimed money. The government get the money.
The government get the money. Wow, that's a good one. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen.
After some time, the government will have to get the money.
Wow, that's a good one. Okay, now, so what are the advantages? Tell us the important, why it's important for people to get life insurance. What are the advantages? Because a lot of people are hearing this for the first time. In fact, some people are texting me right now that they are hearing this for the first time. What are the importance of, life insurance, sir?
Number one important of life insurance, which is always the basic, I always tell people, when you buy a car, you have to know that your car has a steering wheel, it has a wheel on the tire, it can move you from one place to another. Number one important of life insurance is the death benefit. That if I die today, my family get this money. That's the number one important. For most of us that come, we live in United States or live overseas. We just come here. Maybe we still have our kids, our family in Nigeria, or we have it somewhere else. If you pass away today, those people depend on you. There's number one thing you have to do is make sure you have life insurance first. So that if something happens to you, those people have to be well taken care of. That's number one. Number two is the death benefit. Like if you pass away, something happens to you, you don't want to leave burden for your family to people around you to start looking for money to take care of you, to take care of your final expenses. It's going to be a shame for people to be. If you drive a Mercedes-Benz around, we drive all this big car, we live in a beautiful, and you have to pass away. Somebody has to be doing good for me to make sure that you are well taken care and your burial is taken care of. Is a shame. It's not good. It's not a good thing. I want to encourage it for anybody. No, things do happen. It's an exceptional case, but make sure you have life insurance to take care of it. And also, not only that, what life insurance can do for you when you are here. If you become disabled, if you have waiver of disability on your policy, you don't have to pay the life insurance anymore. Also, some insurance have what they call accelerated death benefit. If you are terminally ill while you are alive, going through some treatment, maybe cancer or any form of disease, life insurance can pay you part of your money. I have seen somebody that has a $1 million policy. He was having some cancer problem, and they advanced him about $250,000.
Hello, yeah, good evening.
Hello.
Hello, yeah, good evening.
What's your name and where are you calling from?
Yeah, my name is Akim Chofate from Nigeria.
Okay, Akim Shawade. Okay, we are live on DNT Radio and we are talking about life insurance. Any questions, sir?
Yeah, I just want to, because I don't know much about life insurance. I only heard of it. So my question is maybe after retirement, what are the benefits that one can derive from life insurance? Maybe when you have engaged the life insurance you have engaged in during your active period. Now, they're assuming that one has retired and he has not died. He's still alive. So, what are the benefits?
Do you get it, sir?
Okay. Yes, I get it.
Okay.
One advantage of life insurance is it depends on the kind of life insurance you do. If you do a permanent life insurance, it has what we call cash value. So that cash value is good for you while you are alive, that you can go inside it and take money out and use it for your retirement. People who are business owner, they use life insurance as retirement for them. The cash value is what they start taking now when they get to the age of retirement. And sometimes we do some things for people when they are actively working, they keep putting money in their life insurance. The objective is not for them that if the objective is when I retire, maybe I get to the age of 65, I retire, and I need some money for my day-to-day activities of my living. They go inside the life insurance. Maybe they start taking $1,000 out every month, $2,000 out every month, 10,000. It depends on how much you put there. You can start taking this money out gradually. Advantage of it again for people like in United States is the money you take out inside life insurance is tax-free. In Nigeria, it might be a different law. You have to check with in Nigeria to see what it does in Nigeria. But as far as United States, the money you take out in life insurance, most of the time it is tax-free. So you still have to check the kind of life insurance you have to know that this life insurance can give you money when you retire. Not all life insurance. Term insurance does not do that. I just want to clarify that. But that so many permanent life insurance, that's what it does. Permanent life insurance will allow you to take money out during your retirement to take care of yourself, and it is tax-free most of the time.
Right. Yeah.
Ask another question.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, we are hearing you.
Yeah.
We can hear you.
Yeah, my other question is, let assuming that somebody in Nigeria now, can they participate in this kind of either life insurance that has term or permanent in US?
Somebody from Nigeria. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If somebody in Nigeria has been a resident of the United States and is still a resident of the United States, can participate. But you cannot be in Nigeria and participate in life insurance here. It is not. It's not possible. It's not possible at all. But you have to you live in the United States. And that is why in Nigeria too, there is life insurance company in Nigeria. You can also take life insurance in Nigeria. Life insurance is everywhere in the world. If you are in Kenya, you are in Nigeria, England, everywhere, there is also life insurance company there. So you go into the life insurance in Nigeria, look at the kind of product they have. They have life insurance professional in Nigeria. They will break it down for you, explain what kind of life insurance there is in Nigeria. Because different states, even different country, the law is different. What I'm saying basically most of the time is about United States right here. And it's a little bit general too, because life insurance will always give you that benefit. But the tax advantage and the cash value, the law varies from country to country. So you have to look at Nigeria. What is the law there? What kind of product is available?
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. All right. That's a very nice one. All right. Shout out to everybody watching us right now. You can keep that question coming. Start, sending all your questions. We will treat them here. We have, because the time is not on our side, I have Mr. Kamilu Ali. Sir, if somebody needs your services, how can we locate you? What's your ways? We need your address number and your phone number and your social media platform handles.
My name is Kamilu Abiola Ali. My address is 12201 Merit Drive, Suite 1000, Dallas, Texas 75251. My cell phone number, you can reach me on my cell phone number is 972-310-7049. 972-310-7049. I'm located here in Dallas and I'm licensed in about 20 states, New York, New Jersey, Michigan, as about 20 or more than. But anywhere in the United States, you can always contact me for life insurance. I'm on Facebook, I'm on LinkedIn, and if you're looking at, just look at Kamilu, Kamilu, Abiola, Abiola, Ali, Alli. I'm on Facebook, I'm on LinkedIn. You can send me an email. You can send me an email at kamiluali@yahoo.com.
So, what's your Instagram handle, sir? Your Instagram handle?
I don't use Instagram for business, but I use Facebook and LinkedIn for business.
LinkedIn for business, okay.
So,
all right. So some of you
Facebook and LinkedIn use for business.
All right. So those of you asking for Instagram, so it's on LinkedIn, and at the same time, it's on Facebook as well. So, sir, I have a question personally. Can somebody change his or her beneficiary? As time goes on. Like for instance, is it possible for somebody to share that in life insurance? Can you change the names?
Absolutely. You can change your beneficiary anytime, any day. You can write insurance today, put somebody the beneficiary. The following day, you can call the agent and say, Mr. Ali, I need to change my beneficiary. You can do that right away. As long as you own the policy, you can change it. Some company allow you to go online and do it, but you can always change your beneficiary every day. And the reason why I always encourage people update your beneficiary all the time is that sometimes things do go the different way. Maybe you are married, you went through divorce. It's always going to be a problem if you have to pass away. Your new wife, your old wife might be on the beneficiaries. So you don't want, if that happened, maybe that person, if you pass away, the person will have to get a check. Whereas your family right now, they all depends on you. So you want to look at that. Maybe one of their son you put there, you don't want him to be there anymore. You want to change it. You can always change your beneficiary anytime, any day. Please make sure you change your beneficiary to whoever you want to, because if something happens to you, whoever is on that paper is the one that is going to get that check. And if it's somebody else that is on that paper that has to get that check, if the real person wants to claim that check, has to go to court and get a judge to change it. But if not, the person on the name will be the one that get that check. And you don't want your money to go into where you don't want it to go. So update your beneficiary all the time, your address, your information. Always try to update it as soon as possible so that your beneficiary will get that money. That's the reason why we do the life insurance in the first instance. You don't want anybody to get the money.
Yeah. All right. I have this question now. This coming from Canada. It said, how much can somebody start, life insurance with? Like, how much? Does it have a specific amount that one can start the life insurance with?
It doesn't have a specific amount. The life insurance is based on the different category, different rules for life insurance to set up your life. You can do life insurance to replace your income. You can do it on need basis. Replacing your income is let me break it down. Let's say I make $100,000 a year and I'm 40 years old. And I know for the next retirement date in the United States, averagely is 65. Let me just put it like that. So if I passed away today, that means $2.5 million worth of my economic value that I'm going to bring to the household in the next 25 years is 2.5 million. So I can decide to say I'm taking $2.5 million worth of insurance on myself. That is good. It's used to replace my income on that. Again, people can do it on need basis. They can say, okay, I have a house which is 300,000. I have 2 children who are about to go to college. I want them to go to Harvard. I want to go to state school. I want to go to Texas Tech, Yale. Whatever you want to do, you put the value on it. At the end of the day, you get the amount to be like 600,000. You can take life insurance based on that to have a 600,000 life insurance. How you do it, the way you do it, sit down with a financial professional so that they can break it down to you. This is the way to do it. This is the least effective way to do it. You can do a term, you can do a variable life, you can do a universal life. I'm not going to say specifically. They will be the one that will break it down, whether it's term or permanent policy, they will break it down for you. They will advise you on that. If you need advice in that category, I'm ready to talk to you, break it down for you, and help you. But you can start with life insurance with any amount you want. Like I always tell my client, the number one thing about life insurance is the death benefit. If I passed away, if something happens to me, I passed away today, is my family well taken care of? Before you start looking, oh, I'm gonna get money back, this gonna be this, gonna be that. No.
All right, sir.
Abiola Ali. My phone number is 972-310-7049. 972-310-7049. My email address is kamiluali@yahoo.com. My address is 12201 Merritt Drive, Suite 1000, Dallas, Texas 75251.
All right.
12201 Merritt Drive, Suite 1000, Dallas, Texas 75251. And now you can see me on Facebook. I'm on LinkedIn. So,
all right. Shout out to everybody watching us right now. My sister Foluke Nile Modri from New York and Tosin Beti Odri from Nigeria. All right. I have one last question because time is not on our side. My question is, what is benefits of life insurance after retirement? After retirement, the importance of life insurance after retirement. Because from Nigeria.
That's a bit from Nigeria. Okay. I will explain it in American time. In America, what is the benefit of life insurance? Life insurance has a lot of benefits here. Number one, the death benefit. That's it. Number two is if you get to the age of retirement, you need money which is tax-free from your account. You can start taking money out from your life insurance.
Okay.
And if you pass away, the balance goes into your family. Number two is you can use it to adjust your taxes for some of us living in the United States. Most of our big brothers, which I want to do in the course of my 11 years of doing this business, I find that most of our parents, our brothers, have most of their money in tax-deferred account. That's a 401k pension plan. So when they retire, they still have a lot of taxes to pay. But when you have life insurance, what you do is it allows you to have tax-free money coming out of your account into your household without having to pay taxes on the money. So it helps you a lot. Also, it's used to supplement your income. Let's say supplementation of income. It's used to adjust your social security. Sometimes some of us who've been working here, some of our father who've been working here for a long period. If you retire at the age of 66 or 67 and you want to start pulling your social security dollar out, if you have life insurance, people will delay it until they get to the age of 70. If you are able to delay it like that, you get 8% every year for a year you are waiting. That's a lot of money.
That's a lot
for you to get when you get to the age of 70. So if you are supposed to get 1,000 before you, just imagine put 8% for every year for the next 3 years at the age of 70. That allow you to delay your social security, collecting your social security, and it helps a lot. It's a great deal. You can't beat that with life insurance. And also the money is tax-free.
Wow. That's a good one. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Kamilu Ali. I hope if we call you some other day, I hope you will be able to be here with us again.
Anytime, any day, I'm glad to be here. This is an opportunity for us to enlighten our people, to let them know what is going on, because this is all about information in this country, especially in the United States. Some people don't know what I've seen a lot of people that, I don't know that I can do this with a life insurance. I thought I have to die to get this money. No, you don't have to die. You can still have your life insurance, enjoy it while you are alive. And when you die, you see your family still get that money tax-free. You can't beat that. It's wonderful to have life insurance. And the only thing I just want to sit down with a professional, talk to them, look at what the best option for you, and you will really, that's going to be one of the best decisions you ever made if you have to get life insurance. It depends on, but I know that I've seen a lot of people that I've delivered a death benefit for somebody that was living here, go to Nigeria and passed away. We delivered the death benefit. The son was very happy. Wow. They were able to take care of their parent. The mom passed away in Nigeria and we delivered the death benefit there. That's great.
That's a good
and
one.
It's tax-free.
That's a good one. So, and everybody, thank you so much. Laja Misra Lawasramu, shout out to you. Thank you for watching. And Tani Ola Francis, thank you so much from Oklahoma. I see you. Thank you so much, sir. It's been a pleasure having you on this segment today. Thank you so much for your time. I hope everybody's listening right now, and thank you for giving us your time to be part of this segment. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Any day, anytime, you are at your service.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. All right, everybody. We are still live here, and that is Mr. Kamilu Ali. Let us listen to this. Don't touch the dial, everybody. Don't touch the dial.
This is DJ Sherry Shay, and you are listening to the one and only DNC Radio.
All right. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining, for connecting on this segment today. I really appreciate everybody. If you still have any questions, you can send your... Thank you so much. Yeah, Evangelist Vatala, thank you so much. If you have any questions, send your questions. We'll forward your questions to our guests. If you still need more, any other thing that you need to know about life insurance, anything at all. He's an expert, and he will be there to answer all your questions. I thank everybody. Time is on our side. I just want to thank all the crew, the producer of this segment, Alhaji Kasim Badru, thank you so much, and all the people that make it possible to this segment, all our sponsors and all that. Distinct Furniture, thank you so much. Times Hotel, thank you so much. I thank everybody for being part of the segment. Let us hear from our sponsor one more time.
You just bought a house or need to upgrade your home furniture? Well, then you've come to the right place. Distinct Furniture is an online furniture store that brings you the latest styles in home furnishings at the lowest possible price. We offer the same quality furniture as the big guys do, but at a fraction of the price. How do we do it? We sell online without having to maintain a showroom and all of the overhead that goes along with it. We are able to keep our prices at an all-time low. We pass these savings on to you, the customer. Check us out and you'll become a believer too. Our mission is simple. We offer the furniture you want at a price you'll love. Buy furniture the distinct way. It pays to be a distinct shopper. Contact us at 952-212-6527 or visit our online showroom at www.ufusa.net.
All right, everybody. Yeah, any business that you are doing, reach out to us. Let us promote you. Let us promote your brand. You can be part of our sponsors. You can sponsor any of our segments. We have a lot of segments. We have Hanging Out with Double, just like the one we are doing right now. Tomorrow, Saturday, we have Orita Faji, we have Egbeyewo, and we have Ajolawa as well. And we have Trendy with Tani and Aladdin. We have several programs, and we have Mr. and Mrs. Kogberegbe. This is about relationship. Reach out to us, sponsor our segment, be part of this family. You're not gonna regret it. I thank everybody for joining. The time is on our side. From all the CEO and all the crew, thank you so much, and thank my guests for being part of this segment today. I will see you next week by the grace of God, when I will bring you another and interesting guest to be part of this segment. I want to thank everybody. Thank you. Let us go. It's Friday night. I know everybody, some people will still want to drive or whatever, but let me tell you, it's Owambe Friday. If you want to drink, do not drive. If you want to drive, thou shalt not drink. All right, now, let's go. All right. Thank you so much. See you next week, everybody.